Good morning, guys. We are in Langkawi in Malaysia. It's a small island to the north, isn't it?
Yeah, northwest.
Northwest of Malaysia. And we are going island hopping.
Yes.
And I'm very, very intrigued because it's 3 islands, isn't it?
I think so, yeah.
It's about 4 hours, maybe 3.5 hours.
Yeah.
And we're going to 3 islands, and we've got snorkeling, we've got walks on these islands, apparently. The whole eagles, feeding eagles, all sorts of really cool things. And it's costing us like $10 each.
Yeah.
Like $10, just under $10, £7.50, it's about $11. No, $8, not $9, $10, something about that.
Not very much.
Which is the cheapest tour we've done all year.
Yeah, for sure. And the reviews are really good.
Really
like,
good.
It seems like it's going to be a really good day, so I'm buzzing.
Yeah, so they're going to pick us up. We have to stay here. They're going to pick us up from here, take us to the boat, and then it just starts straight away. So let's have a look. And as always, the link to this exact tour is in the description. We've gone with Klook today. So as soon as we've convinced you that this is the tour for you to do island hopping in Langkawi, then check it out in the description.
Thank you. Ooh, okay. I think that was like 5 minutes, wasn't it?
We picked up a few people. All good, a couple of minutes. Let's go check out the boat. So we got here, we're walking down this pier, and we didn't really know where to go. So someone said, well, to take our picture. We got our picture.
I thought they were just like trying to sell it to us, but I think it's just to recognise us and keep our group together. Future Jaden Kev here. We actually just got back to the harbour, and the picture they took of us before we got on the boat has been stuck onto a little plate, and it is the most tacky, stupid souvenir ever, but it was 12 ringgit. 12 ringgit, so we couldn't resist.
So we get given some stickers. I don't know if you can see the little orange sticker. That kind of identifies us, but a boat turned up and kind of got herded into the boat.
There's not a lot of direction, I won't lie.
I mean, we're getting on the boat. Haven't been waiting.
Yeah. Maybe we just haven't been listening.
What more do you need? There we go. This is the fastest boat we've been on this year. All the others have been slow, like trundling along.
I'd actually rather it like this. I'm not going to be sick.
I was going to do my hair today, but not much. I was going to do my hair today. Not much point.
Don't lie.
I was thinking 3 hours, got 3 islands. I hope the boat's fast.
It's dry though, isn't it?
I can see an island in the distance.
I can't hear what you're saying.
I can see an island.
Ooh.
I don't know if you can see it, but the mountain over there is like the pregnant woman. It looks like a lying down pregnant woman. But we're like Moana. Ooh.
Good film. I'm having a good time, I promise.
Sometimes you get seasick. How are you feeling?
Great.
It's better fast, isn't it?
Oh, so much better, yeah.
So yeah, if you get seasick, going fast like this, actually better.
It's really fun. Oh, a cave.
I think we've got to our first island, haven't we?
Yeah. This is, I think it's Dayang Bunting.
Dayang Bunting. Geoforest Park. It looks sick.
Yeah, it's massive, and it's just. This is.
So I don't think this is a beach. Whoa! I don't think this is a beach or anything. I think we walk through here, don't we?
Yeah.
This is like
a lake.
A lake.
Maybe that's the next one.
But this looks like a nature reserve.
Yeah,
almost.
yeah.
One thing, we went to Halong Bay recently in Vietnam, so just definitely check that video out because that's insane. Quite similar to here. Except Halong Bay had a lot of rubbish in the water, didn't it?
Yeah, we've not seen any here.
No, it seems much cleaner here. It's really nice, isn't it? He's just said we got 1 hour. You've got to remember the number of your boat, and we've got 1 hour.
Can we all just talk about Captain?
What? Is it bad? What's happened?
Such a puppy.
She didn't even tell me.
It's cute.
Nobody wants to be cute. 2 adults, please. So we just got in, there's an entrance fee to the. So this is the lake. There's all sorts of, I don't know how to do that. There's all sorts of activities you can do on the lake, kayaking, all sorts of things. But we're only here for an hour. You can get, I'm sure you can. We'll put links in the description if you can. You can probably come here all day. Like, this is a proper place you can come all day. We've got 1 hour. We're not going to do any of the activities. It is 6 ringgit per adult, which is about $1.50. Yeah, $1.50 to come into the park, which is pretty reasonable. It's not included in the tour price, but it's pretty reasonable. So I want to go see the lake.
So many monkeys.
So straight off the bat, baby monkeys.
Baby monkeys.
Baby monkeys. And then a pretty steep set of stairs down to the lake. There's this freshwater lake in the middle of the sea. Like, it's really cool.
Oh yeah, I forgot that we were in the sea. Can we swim?
I think so. I can hear people swimming. I'm swimming.
Well, you heard a splash. It doesn't mean they're swimming.
That's true.
Oh, cool, mini jet skis. That's hilarious.
Okay, so there's loads of people out there in kayaks. There's these little pools. Look at this. This is clearly for like children and stuff. Yeah. Like little pools you can get into. There's what was that called that you just looked
underwater
jet ski.
Jet ski, yeah. So and you can dive 2 meters, I think you said, with it.
Yeah, zoom underwater. There's some boats and there's all these platforms. I am going to go and take this microphone off and jump in.
We decided to get a locker actually because I want to have fun too.
10 ringgit for 1 hour, I actually think is pretty steep, but what can you do? You can just leave your bags on the platforms and jump in, but if you were going kayaking or something like that, I wouldn't recommend it.
We've just finished swimming, and actually I think we've only got like 5 minutes to get back to the boat. We've got about 10 minutes, I think.
Yeah.
But if we don't get...
And they'll probably give or take 5, won't they?
Monkeys, yeah. Oh,
but
monkey with a baby.
That was so good.
Yeah, so nice.
Definitely get down there, chuck your stuff in a locker and jump in for 20 minutes because it's so nice. I mean, it's a bit hot for me. I'd rather it be cooler, but what can you expect on the equator?
Top tip, don't bring food because the monkeys know you have food. I literally just saw someone, this is no joke, actual monkey nuts. A bag that said monkey nuts. The monkey obviously wanted the nuts, so don't bring food. Saying that though, there are loads of food options here. There's a cafe here. There's also a mini mart and it's even got like instant noodles. There's fruit, there's juices and stuff like that, so you can get food. There's also a toilet and it's 1 ringgit to get in.
What do you think of the first stop?
Yeah, really good. I was saying earlier, wasn't I, that it's nice because it took, what, 20 minutes from like the harbour to the island, and then like 10 minutes later you're swimming.
You're not wasting time on the boat.
Traveling.
A lot of these tours, you're on the boat for 2 hours, 3 hours. But I think this one's going to be like
just zoom. Yeah.
By the way, all of this is not water. Like I was hotter getting out of the water than I was getting in. It's so hot. So be prepared, lots of water. So I'm just going to show you these jet skis that are coming past. We're actually planning on maybe doing a jet ski tour, and I think it's going to be similar sort of island hopping, but actually on jet skis.
Jet skis. The boat is here, we didn't miss it.
I'm kind of hoping that we get blow dried.
Also, I can't wait for your hair.
Drying! Where do you think we're going next?
I actually have no idea. Like I have no idea.
We booked this at like what
7
time?
o'clock last night, I
and we didn't even look.
Yeah.
Just island hopping, $10. Do it. Book. Didn't even look. So you're finding out as quick as we are.
Eagles.
They might. I think the eagles next.
Maybe, yeah.
All right, so we have arrived. I think I can see loads of eagles, and we're slowing down. So I think we're going to do some feeding. Yeah, 100%.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
We were there for about 3 or 4 minutes, feeding the eagles. To be honest with you, I wouldn't have stayed there any longer. I want to go see some other stuff. Eagles are really cool. Stop number 3, isn't it? And then we'll probably be there for an hour.
Yeah.
We've just stopped. No idea why, but as soon as you stop and it starts rocking, it's horrible, isn't it? It's much better when we're moving.
Yeah, I know why we stopped.
Go on.
We stopped to get some like hair gel. Beach time!
Yeah, stop number 3 looks like a beautiful sandy beach.
Yeah. Oh, it's not that high.
Let's go. Look at this place. This is like paradise.
Yeah, this is lush. Really soft sand.
This is stunning. Can you picture a more picturesque
No.
sandy beach?
There are quite a lot of people though.
Yeah, this is probably the most famous beach in this archipelago. Is that how you say it?
Ooh, I don't know.
Ooh, what a word. Probably said wrong though.
Yeah. Archipelago, actually. This is Beras Bassa Island. Probably not saying that right. Ooh, coconuts, yeah. So you can buy hot dogs, jumbo hot dogs. I think that was 15 ringgit. Coconuts for 9. Soft drinks, hot drinks for about 4. So yeah, you've got stuff here. It's not like a full meal, but it's early as well. We're going to be back before lunch, so if you're here if you want like a snack or just a drink, then there's places to get. I would bring cash. I don't imagine they take card. We're going in! 2
times in one day into the water.
Whoa!
To be fair, or you say, whoa, like oh yes.
Oh, that's cooler, isn't it?
Let's just take a second to remember this is like £7.50, $10 tour.
Yeah,
and this is, this is the best value for money I've ever. We've been on a lot of tours. This is the best value for money of anything we have done ever.
Yeah, sure.
If you're in Langkawi, I mean, we're going to do loads of tours this week, so stay tuned for all that. And if you like read all those articles and stuff, we're going to do loads of stuff. But if anything beats this for value, I'll be blown away.
Yeah. Bring your own snorkel, because this water's really clear, isn't it? And that's now, like I think, even in the...
Yeah, that's quite a good idea. I've seen a few people with goggles on and stuff.
Yeah, bring goggles or snorkel. They don't have any, not that we've seen. They didn't ask us for any. But yeah, it'd be lush to snorkel, wouldn't it? I don't know if you see anything, but it's just nice to have that. Back to the boat. Hopefully it hasn't gone without us.
Why do you keep saying that? We're on time.
Yeah, it's about 12:10, and actually I think we're meant to get back at about past. So
it's going to be perfect. Everything so far has been perfect. I've got to be honest, I think this is the best tour. Like, if you take everything into consideration. Obviously we've been on tours that are like days long, hundreds of dollars, and they were absolutely incredible. But if you compare everything equally, this is the best tour I've ever been on.
Yeah, it's really
genuinely
good.
For $10 you get. I mean, it's amazing. Definitely do this. Absolutely mind blown. It's beautiful, isn't it? And
also, as well, all the extra activities like the kayaking and the, the paddleboarding and stuff like that, didn't seem too expensive as well. So if you did want to do some bits and bobs when you're here, or at the lake, it's not like a crazy add-on as well, which is quite nice.
Yeah. So we're not going to show you just zooming back to the harbour. Remember the exact tour we went on? We actually went with Klook. The exact tour we went on is in the description below. We've gone into a bit more detail on all of the island hopping tours that you can go on, because there's other options other than this. And we've done that in the article, and the link to the article is in the video below. No, the description below. And if this video has been helpful, remember to like and subscribe. And seriously, this week we're doing loads of tours, so definitely subscribe for more content, and you'll see you're going to be loads coming up soon. So see you soon, guys.
Bye.